Today we're featuring a 2015 Honda Odyssey Touring. It's got 42,000 miles on it. It's a Carfax one owner. All right, it is a certified Odyssey. It's smoky topaz metallic in color. I'm going to walk around the vehicle with you. It does have the front park assist, turn signals in the side mirrors. Got your lock unlock button here in the door handle. It is equipped with the sunroof. Driver's side of the vehicle looks good. All right, it is equipped with the rear park assist as well, rear backup camera. All right, it does have the rear power sliding doors and the rear power hatch. It also has your blind spot monitoring camera, and I'll show you that in a second. The exterior of this vehicle is in good shape. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. All right, two-tone door panels. Got the gray with the darker gray or the black. Power locks, power windows, power mirrors. It does have memory seats. All right, it does have your rear liftgate, power sliding doors, lane departure warning. All right, there's your blind spot monitoring button there. All right, it does have the truffle leather power driver seat, and the truffle is just kind of like a darker brown. All right, but the driver seat's in good shape. Comes with two keyless entry key fobs. Passenger seat's in good shape. Go ahead and pan out and give you a shot of the sunroof here. Alright. Does have navigation, backup camera, push button start. It is an automatic. Dual climate controls, heated seats. Alright, it's got two screens here. This will be for your radio display. This will be for the navigation and backup camera, and I'll show you all that in a second. Leather wrapped steering wheel audio controls, and Bluetooth. Let's go ahead and check out the mileage. Okay, it's got 42,273 miles on it. Now that we've got it started, I'll go ahead and show you the screens up here. This is your navigation. Let me go ahead and dim that down a little bit. There we go, so you can see it better. Okay, go ahead and engage backup camera. Alright, like I mentioned earlier, it does have the heated seats, dual climate controls. Oh yeah, let me do one more thing. Let's go ahead and engage the blind spot monitoring system. Alright, and that is exactly what it says it is. It's a display of your blind spot. It can either be activated by the button or by your turn signals if you're making a lane change. Alright, really cool safety feature that Honda offers. Love that feature. Alright, go ahead and show you the display with the AM/FM radio. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. It's got the rear power sliding doors. Alright, and this also can be activated by these buttons here. You just press that, other door will open. Fix this belt right quick. There we go. Alright, it's got the truffle second row. Alright, it's got the second row bench seats back here. Second row leather's in good shape. I'll go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout there. Everything's in real good shape. Third row seats look good. No problems at all. And it is equipped with the DVD player here in the Touring. Alright. You simply pull the handle, doors will close nice and smooth there. It does have the power lift gate. Press the button there. Nice and smooth coming up. All right, plenty of space back here in these Odysseys. It's got the nice plastic protector mat right there. Okay, and these seats will fold down and then fold down into this open area here, really opening it up here in the back. And it's really easy to get these seats down. You just pull that lever right there. Pull this one, seats go down, and then they will actually fold down into here. Alright, but to get them back up, you simply just pull that. They come right back up. Sorry, I was doing that with one hand, it's a little difficult. And then to engage the liftgate, simply press the button. Comes back down nice and smooth. Let's go ahead and check out your wheels and tires. We've got 18-inch alloys. All right, brand new set of tires on here. All right, once again, it's a 2015 Honda Odyssey Touring, 42,000 miles on it. It's a Carfax one owner. It is a certified Honda. All right, come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.